Now, St. Mary's is not alone in this surge, which had certainly talked about earlier. Maine's new record for the number of people in the hospital currently with COVID-19 all across our state.
It's partly because of Omicron, of course, which is spreading very quickly all across the country. It can sometimes be difficult to detect and tell apart from other ailments. Our Chloe Thibault joins us live this morning to talk about where experts say we're at in this surge. Hi, Chloe.
Hey guys, good morning. Well, to start off, I'm obviously live from home this morning, and that's because I tested positive for COVID-19 last week. Now, I'm vaccinated and boosted and really had pretty mild symptoms, and health officials say that's not really unusual. With the Omicron variant, obviously it is very contagious, but if you are vaccinated, it can feel a bit more like a cold. So Dr. Dora Mills with MaineHealth says we're early on in the Omicron surge here in Maine. She says because this variant is so contagious, this will be a big surge, but it should be a quicker one and could last for only about 4 weeks, maybe a little bit more. Dr. Gavin Ducker with Northern Light Health says that means hospitals will likely be facing more pressure this month, like you guys were just talking about, since the rise in cases means a rise in hospitalizations. He said it's almost inevitable that anyone who's not vaccinated will get Omicron since it's so contagious. Now, as to whether we might reach herd immunity, Dr. Ducker says it's too early to tell if that has happened in South Africa or Europe, but experts hope vaccinations combined with people getting sick will make it more difficult for new strains of the virus to appear.
We now know that the biggest lesson of 2021 is that this virus mutates significantly, or can. But the more immunity that we build up around the world, the less likely it will mutate significantly.
It does reduce the risk of further strains, but it doesn't eliminate it. And so we would still need to be very vigilant about doing all the things that we've become accustomed to doing, of isolating with symptoms, hand washing, social distancing, and all that.
And Dr. Mills says after Omicron, we could enter an endemic instead of a pandemic, and hopefully that would mean fewer incidents of COVID-19 overall. Live at home this morning, Chloe Thibault, News Center Maine.